In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitize handwritten notes using ChatGPT Vision. This process is incredibly useful for converting your handwritten documents into a digital format, making them more accessible and easier to store. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process. First things first, start by opening your web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This will bring up a list of search results related to ChatGPT, a groundbreaking tool that allows for a wide range of functionalities, one of which includes digitizing handwritten notes through its Vision feature. Next, in the search results, look for the official ChatGPT website link and click on it. This will take you to the main page where you can access all of its available features. Once you've arrived there, look for an option to either attach a file or an icon that looks like a plus sign, commonly found on pages where you can upload or add content. Clicking on this will allow you to attach files. Now, from the list of options, select Images, Photos, or Files. This step is crucial because we want to upload an image of the handwritten notes that you're aiming to digitize. Browse through your device and locate the photo or scanned document of your handwritten notes. Once you've found the right file, select it and proceed to upload. With the photo uploaded, the next step is crafting a prompt. This is where you instruct ChatGPT Vision on what exactly you'd like it to do with the uploaded image. You might type something simple like, "Please digitize this handwritten note," or specify any additional details you want it to comprehend or process. Be sure to be clear and concise in your instructions to get the best possible result. After typing in your prompt, it's time to proceed by clicking on the Submit button. By doing so, you're officially sending your request to ChatGPT Vision. The system will then begin analyzing the image, converting the handwritten text into a digital format. And that's it. After a short wait, ChatGPT Vision will present you with a digitized version of your notes. This new text can be easily copied, edited, or stored as you wish. Hopefully, you found this tutorial on digitizing handwritten notes helpful. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure that all your valuable handwritten insights remain at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly digitized notes.